This is a chronological list of some of the most important mathematicians in history and their major achievements, as well as some very early achievements in mathematics for which individual contributions cannot be acknowledged. There are several different branches of mathematical science which include algebra, geometry, and calculus. Mathematics is not an invention. Discoveries and laws of science are not considered inventions, since inventions are material things and process. However, there is a history of mathematics, a relationship between mathematics and inventions and mathematical instruments themselves are considered inventions. According to the book Mathematical Thought from Ancient to Modern Times, mathematics as an organized science did not exist until the classical Greek period from 600 to 300 BC. There were, however, prior civilization in which the beginnings or rudiments of mathematics were formed. For example, when civilization began to trade, a need to count was created. When humans traded goods, they needed a way to count the goods and to calculate the cost of those goods. The very first device was counting numbers was, of course, the human hand and fingers represent quantities, and to count beyond 10 fingers, mankind used natural markers, rocks, or shells from that point. Tools such as counting boards and the abacus were invented. Here, a quick tally of important developments introduced throughout the ages beginning from A to Z. Abacus, one of the first tools for counting invented. Students, the abacus was invented around 1200 BC in China and was used in many ancient civilizations including Persia and Egypt. And then accounting. The innovative Italians of the Renaissance are widely acknowledged to be the fathers of modern accounting. And then algebra. The first treatise on algebra was written by Diophantus of Alexandria in the 3rd century BC. Algebra comes from the Arabic word al-zabr, an ancient medical term meaning the reunion of broken parts. Is another early algebra scholar and was the first to teach the formal discipline of algebra. And then Archimedes. Archimedes was a mathematician and inventor from ancient Greece, best known for his discovery of the relationship between the surface and volume of a sphere and its circumscribing cylinder for his formulation of a hydrostatic principle, Archimedes principle, and for inventing the Archimedes screw, a device for raising water. And then differential. Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz was a German philosopher, mathematician, and logician who is probably most well known for having invented differential and integral calculus. He did this independently of Sir Isaac Newton. And then graph. A graph is a pictorial representation of statistical data or of a functional relationship between variables. William Playfair is generally viewed as the inventor of most graphical forms used to display data including line plots, the bar chart and a pie chart. And then math symbol. In 1557, the equal to symbol, the equal to sign was first used by Robert Record. In 1631 came the less than and equal to sign. And then Pythagoras, Pythagoreanism. is a school of philosophy and a religious brotherhood believed to have been founded by Pythagoras of Samos, who settled in Croton in southern Italy about 525 BC. The group had a profound effect on the development of mathematics. And then, protractor. The simple protractor is an ancient device as an instrument used to construct and measure plane angles. The simple protractor looks like a semicircular protractor. The semicircular disc marked with the degrees beginning with 0 degree to 180 degree. The first complex protractor was created for plotting the position of a boat on navigational charts, called a three-arm protractor or station pointer. It was invented in 1801 by Joseph Huddart, a US naval captain. And then slide rulers. Circular and rectangular slide rulers, an instrument used for mathematical calculation, were both invented by mathematician William Oughtred. And then zero. Zero was invented by a Hindu mathematician Aryabhatta. And Varamihara in India around or shortly after the year 520 AD.